cause I'm a fool for your love.
Yes, you read the title right. With just 150 rupees, you can explore the whole of South India. Wondering how? Stay till the end of the video and get to know how. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm totally excited about today's video because today's video is going to be about a place called Dakshin Chitra or Dakshina Chitra, which is located at ECR to Mahabalipuram Road at Chennai, Tamil Nadu. So, Dakshin Chitra is a heritage museum for people who don't know. It also means a picture of the South. So, you get a closer view of the age old tradition in South India. It covers places like Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, and Kerala. And it is a project of the Madras Craft Foundation, an NGO which is open to public on December 14, 1996. This place amazed me a lot, and I hope it is a good place for weekend getaways. And if you want to come and relax, you can surely visit this place with your family, friends, and kids, and you all will love it. So, talking about this craft, this is one particular video which I was amazed to see about palm leaf manuscript. So, in ancient times, palm leaves, they symbolize victory with integrity. So people used to write and draw on palm leaves. Usually these palm leaves or ole chuvadi or panai elai, they are first cooked and dried, and then the writer uses a stylus to inscribe letters. Here the person will be using that stylus, which is like a sharp end. I don't know how he writes on that. You cannot even see what he is doing at the initial stage, but only after which the natural colorings are used and then it's applied to the surface of the ink, which will stick in the grooves. So this process is also similar to intaglo printing. You can google and you can also make similar things by seeing YouTube DIYs, and I hope this will be a great craft to learn for the future. I know this reaches the world and we support these artisans. It was so good to see his process of doing it, and he just showed us within a few seconds. He drew a small Vinayaka, which is so good. He has also done many manuscripts like that, from ranging from 30 rupees to 2 lakh rupees. Yes, he showed us that. He showed us one print which took him 1 year to draw, which is really amazing. I don't know how much patience he had while doing it. And the thing is, you cannot erase or delete or do something if you have done something wrong. So that really amazed me, and I hope you should get to see him when you visit this place. Also, there are many places to visit. It usually takes one full day to explore this place. So book a weekend and then go to this place. Yeah, this is a cross-cultural living museum of art, architecture, lifestyle, crafts, and performing arts of South India. So this is basically a South Indian heritage and culture dedication, and they conduct a photo exhibition, events, workshops, language fest, etc. So a must visit place, and there are like 18 authentic historical houses which were built by the artisans themselves living in that particular region, which just amazed us, like the Chettinadu house, the Satanur house, and it was really nice. They teach us how to make these bags and pottery making. They also conduct a lot of exhibition things which you can also learn from them if you pay a certain sum of amount. There is also a South Indian restaurant inside, so you can take a full day, have fun, and then enjoy with your family, friends, and learn more about the Indian culture. And if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I will see you soon in my other video. Until then, take care. Bye.